What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an extreme 2-day laundry motivation. Most of these clothes I'm going to be washing are for the kids, but on day 2 I get to tackle our clothes and some other stuff that needed to be washed. So if you have a load of laundry you need to do, come do laundry with me, or if you want to sit back and just relax and watch me, you're welcome to do that as well. As long as you get some motivation out of this, it will make me very, very happy. It has been a long time. It's been about a week or so since I posted a video. I've been having so many problems with my computer that I have right now. It's the MacBook Air, and I'm thinking of just getting rid of it because it's just not worth it anymore. But I'm trying to figure it out. I'm so glad. I'm happy I actually got to work for this video, so I'm very, very grateful for that. Cause I can't wait for you forever. I don't know if you are as forgetful as I am, but I always find a load in the dryer that I forget from a previous day. So on this day I did have a load that I need to take care of, so here I was trying to switch it over, and that is how I noticed I had a load. So yeah, I'm switching over the first load that I did, and then I'm gonna go ahead and load another one in and go upstairs and start folding. Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could open up and take my worry in and make it stop. So on day 1, I did not get to do a ton of laundry. I did fold this one basket here, but I did also do some washing off camera, which allowed me to start day 2 with all the folding, and I had more folding on day 2 and less washing on that day. So I did most of the washing the night before, even some off camera, which helped me do it a little bit faster. But anyways, so for day 2 you're gonna see me doing more of folding. I can't wait for you forever. Cause I can't wait for you forever. Cause I can't wait for you forever. Cause I can't wait for you forever. Just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm crazy, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. A whole lot better. as you can tell, it is the next day, obviously because I have different clothes on. And like I mentioned, I went right into the folding from the clothes that I had finished the night before and didn't get to fold. So yeah, I wanted to tackle this laundry and make sure I was finished with it on day 2. When it comes to folding, I feel like I move all over my house. I just find a place that is comfortable and I sit and I fold. But I was curious to know if you guys have a designated place in your house that you like to fold your laundry in. I like to fold in the living room because I can put on a show or watch a YouTube video, and that kind of helps me get through the loads of laundry that I'm usually folding. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you guys have a certain place you guys like to fold your laundry in, or if you guys move around your house just like me.
So damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips, the feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time I
Ethan has been growing so tall, you guys. My 6-year-old is just growing like a weed, and every morning when I'm dressing him up for school, I will notice his sweaters are getting shorter, his pants are getting shorter. So I had to go and do a big shopping for him just to replace all of his clothes for school. So those clothes have been passed on to Logan. So when I did that, I had to also go through Logan's clothes and take out the clothes that he doesn't wear anymore. So it helped me do a little bit of decluttering in their room.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen. You have been here since day one, seen my ups and downs, never left my side once, yeah, you stuck around. Who knew it was you? You have been here all along, you have always been the one, yeah, who knew it was you? You have always been the one that's true.
while I was getting dinner ready and also doing our evening routine, I was still washing, and I saved all the folding until the kids were about to go to bed, so I knew I was about to have some quiet time and just fold all of this clothes. It took me about a half hour to 45 minutes to fold everything, and of course I brought my laptop and I continued my show on there. And here is Ethan saying goodnight to me, and I could not wait because I really wanted to get this going. It was day 2 of laundry and I was just getting so tired of folding and washing, so I was quite excited to get this task all completed.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty.
Well guys, I have completed 2 days of laundry. I hope you guys got some laundry motivation out of this, watching me fold a million baskets full of laundry. Well, it wasn't that much, but it was a lot, to be honest. Laundry is not my favorite thing to do, but of course it has to be done, and I love the feeling I get when I'm all done with it. So I hope if you're not feeling like you want to do laundry, this will motivate you. Just do one load. I promise you it will help you if you do one load today and another one tomorrow. Just baby steps, you guys. Anyways, if you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload next. And I wanted to say a special welcome to my new friends. I've noticed you guys have been subscribing to my channel, and I truly appreciate it. And I hope I see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Oh,